paused it. Junior, where are they? You're about to stand on this car uphill.
Do it. Get up on that pip, Daddy. Elliot.
Hey, look.
I don't like that.
Ha! It scared you, Daenerys.
No, I don't like that sound. Here's my ears. That big one back there. When I get older, when I get my bear room, you know, it'd be cool if a girl, a boy proposed to a girl with fireworks, like it said, "Will you marry me?"
That would be so.
You in Houston.
He already gave her a ring. What ring is it?
The one that I could fit on?
Boom, boom.
This is your ex-girlfriend. Hey, I found
Do
your
not.
I found your ex-girlfriend.
Who?
I didn't even see her face. Oh, she's taken.
That's Daenerys' ex-girlfriend. Emily.
What other names are there?
Bud.
She looked back. Say Emily again.
John.
Emily.
Jennifer, Jackson, Julie.
Shoot it.
Ariana. I can't keep an eye on
Pam.
everybody. Okay, you look that way. I'll look this way. You
I
look
can't.
That way. If I say something, then look. Bill.
Jamie,
William.
Melinda.
Jackson,
Jordan.
Jonathan,
Cody.
Valerie.
Miranda.
Brianna.
Candace. Them little kids ain't even freaked out. The fuck? Oh God.
Watch back there. They know you need to watch back there.
there's like 5 cops over there. Literally, look, there's like 5 cops over there.
Where? Oh, huh.
Over there.
Oh God, my heart's beating now. I think they're coming back. Woo! What are big names? Penelope.
Jackson.
Journey.
Vanessa.
What'd you say? Jackson.
Jackson, Mississippi.
Jackson, Mississippi. Miley.
Cyrus.
Banana.
Katy Perry. Juicy J.
Ariana. Rondé.
Eminem.
Rhonda. Ronnie.
What's the kid's name? Oh, here they come.
Bonnie?
Yeah. We're going here. Where'd it go? Oh, down, man, move. What if our love is right about it? That's not so pretty. Why does it have to be so loud? They don't even show the color. I will stand. McDonald's.
Look, Alice, look.
Just got shot. They were popping all the firecrackers.
No.
I don't know.
Hi, Daenerys.
That was
Uncle Bill's butt.